Good morning students. Welcome to St. Peter's School. Today in this video we are going to learn about parts of plant. So open your term book page number 138. The name of the chapter is Parts of Plant. What are the learning points? Structure and function of different parts of plants like roots, stem, leaf, flower and fruits. So what do we mean by learning points? It means in this chapter we are going to learn about all these things. We are going to learn about the structure, the function of different parts of plants. Okay? So to begin with, color the picture of a plant given below and label it. I'm very sure you know the basic parts of plant. What are the basic parts of plants? The roots, stem, leaf, flowers and fruits. Okay, so come to page number 139. So kids, when you go outside your house or when you stand in your balcony or you visit to garden, you see different types of plant. What do I mean by different types of plants? Like when you go outside, you see few tall plants, few short plants, few plants are very thick, few plants are very thin. So what does this means? There are different types of plant and they have different structures and they look different. Like as human beings are same, but every human has a different different features and different structure. Few are short, few are tall, few are very thin. Yes, similarly the plants are also different in terms of their appearance, in terms of their functions. So let's begin with this. So initially what we are going to learn, we are going to learn different types of plants in very short. So kids, when I say that there are different types of plants in our surrounding, by this I mean there are groups of different plants. By groups I mean there are four groups: the trees, the shrubs, the herbs and the creepers. So kids, what do we mean by this different types of trees? I will tell you in detail. So before that, I will just read this paragraph for your understanding. Our body has many different parts. Similarly, a plant has many parts. Plants can be trees, shrubs, herbs or creepers. So kids, these are nothing but types of trees. But the parts of the plant are same. All the plants have root and a shoot. The root grows into the ground and the shoot grows above the ground. The shoot bears stem, branches, leaves, flower and fruits. Each part carries out a specific function and keeps that plant healthy. So kids, in this paragraph we have come across a new word that is called as shoot. What is shoot? When you look at a tree, you see there is something under the ground. What is that? It is nothing but root. What is root? Root is nothing but the base of the plant which helps the plant to stand strongly on the surface of the soil. Okay, so once this root gets grown, it shoots out something out of this outside the surface. What is that? That is nothing but stem. Understood? Stem. It shoots out the stem and this shoot bears stem, branches, leaves, flowers. When there's a when the seed which we put into the soil, it grows, it shoots out stem, branches, leaves and flower. Yes, so this is the very beginning of growing of the plant. Now we are going to learn in detail what are different types of plants. So let's begin with it. Trees. Trees are big and tall plants. They have very thick, woody and hard stem. So kids, it's a very common tree. Trees are very common. They are everywhere around you. Next one is shrubs. What are shrubs? Shrubs are medium sized woody plants, taller, not too taller, but medium of 10 meter. The features are bushy, hard, woody stem with many branches. Have you seen tulsi? It's an example of shrubs. Understood, kids? So, in this paragraph, till now we have learned that there are different types of trees. I have explained you what is shoot. I have explained you what is the function of the root and how it gives shoot, which help us to grow plant in a better way, and it provides different part of the plant. And also I have explained you what is tree and what is shrub. So now what is left? Herb is left and creeper is left. So I am going to explain the rest of the thing in the next video. Till then I want you to revise everything. I want you to go through whatever I have taught till now, so that it becomes easy for you for the further understanding of the chapter. Okay, kids? I also want you to draw a plant of tree and label its parts. You can see it on page number 139. Okay, kids? I hope you do the homework. Yes, very good. Thank you, kids. Bye.